Good afternoon, viewers. Hope you have an amazing day. It's Monday, June 13th, 2022. It's around 5 pm and the temperature is 29 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. This is a neighborhood at Sheikh Kanthari Street in Yangon, Myanmar. It has been raining since early afternoon. This is a street wet market in the neighborhood. This seller is selling various kinds of fish, crabs and prawns. That is hilsha fish, some squidos. People are using umbrellas while buying their daily necessary stuffs. These sellers are selling various kinds of fish and chicken, some green leaves and vegetables. This man is selling ripe mangoes. People are walking across the footpath. This lady is preparing Indian dosa. Dosa is South Indian origin food. This is vegetable dosa, prepared with vegetables. This is Anaurahta Road in Yangon. This is a plastic product shop. This man is selling Myanmar traditional rice cake. This is Anaurahta Road. People are walking in a group with umbrellas. The center point of Yangon, Sule Pagoda Road. Quite traffic jam now. People are crossing the road carefully. This is Sule Pagoda Road. Over there, that is YPS, Yangon Payment Service, for Yangon Bus Service. That white color building is Yangon City Hall. People are waiting for the bus here. This is YBS 28, bus number 28. Public transport of Yangon city is very convenient. You can get bus service in reasonable price. Bus is one of the cheapest transport in Yangon. As you can see, people are waiting for the bus here. People are now getting right into the bus. People are getting right into the bus in a disciplined manner. Myanmar people are one of the disciplined people in Asia. That is Sule Pagoda. It's quite busy atmosphere now. This old lady is crossing the road carefully. After railway, Yangon bus service is the cheapest transport in Yangon. A Buddhist monk is walking across the road. This is a footpath beside Mohabandula Road. People are crossing the road carefully. This is Mohabandula Road. Over there some construction works are ongoing. A lady is selling flowers. This is a footpath beside Anaurahtha Road. There are lots of shops beside the road. This is a banana stall. This lady is selling various kinds of banana. This is a restaurant beside 31st Street. This is Shuitu restaurant. walking across the footpath beside Anaurahta road. There are some street food stalls beside the footpath. This lady is buying some street food. On the right side there are some clothing stores. This is a chicken fry stall. Some mangoes here. On the right side this is biryani house. On the right side that is Pansudan street. This is a zebra crossing at Pansudan street. It's a busy afternoon now. This is a church for Christian community in the neighborhood. This is a street wet market in Sheikh Kanthari street. You can get various kinds of fish, meat, fresh vegetable and fruits here. People are buying their daily necessary stuffs. This man is buying some vegetables. A fish stall. This lady is cutting big fish. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.